If you're searching for security cameras in Guaynabo, you've found the right solution. We provide high-quality security cameras and expert installation services throughout Guaynabo, Puerto Rico. Whether you need one security camera for your home or a complete surveillance system for your business, we've got you covered. With years of experience in the field, we understand the security requirements of the Guaynabo community. We offer a wide selection of security cameras, including dome cameras, bullet cameras, and color night vision cameras. Our systems are designed to protect your home or business, giving you peace of mind. We also specialize in security camera installation in Guaynabo, delivering professional service for both residential and commercial properties. Our certified technicians ensure that your security system is installed with precision and efficiency. Call us today at 787-456-8177 to schedule your security camera consultation in Guaynabo, Puerto Rico, or visit our online store to shop now at www.secureviewcameras.com. SecureViewCameras.com